Good morning. Good morning. Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir. He is still not well. He is still not well. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. I will call you later. I will call you later. I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. It gets out of my sight. Please give me your hand. It gets out of my sight. I did not understand. I did not understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Could you stay away from my stuff? Could you stay away from my stuff? I am sorry. I am sorry. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. I don't know. I don't know. We both like each other. We both like each other. Come quickly. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. What is your problem? What is your problem? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. How are you? How are you? What is going on? What is going on? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. See you. See you. See you next time. See you next time. So. So. Allow me. Allow me. It's very thoughtful of you. It's very thoughtful of you. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's up to you. It's up to you. I don't have time. I don't have time. It's none of you business. It's none of you business. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise. You are going too fast. You are going too fast. I don't agree. I don't agree. Come with me. Come with me. Cheer up. Cheer up. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Come on. Come on. Good morning. Good morning. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Good night. Good night. Don't move. Don't move. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Don't worry. Don't worry. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Are you done? Are you done? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? They like each other. They like each other. Did you get it? Did you get it? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. How are you? How are you? Let's catch up. Let's catch up. Follow me. Follow me. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. God bless you. God bless you. I feel much better. I feel much better.